Okay, guys.
Hey, guys.
Daddy made me right.
Thomas, go see what the Easter Bunny put. Go get it.
I'm gonna get mine.
What'd you find?
But I can't reach it.
What is it?
This one is mine.
What is it, you
I
guys?
saw his twigs. Thomas, get me the basket. And get me some. Give me that basket. I think he jumped.
You think? He
Did he
jumps
hop?
that high?
Did he hop up there?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh.
We...
Like he ate yesterday.
What is that?
Marshmallow.
A marshmallow?
Oh, what are you doing? You gotta keep
Here,
looking
Thomas,
for him.
come get yours.
Mommy, look.
Go up there and get yours. Oh my goodness, there's one
Look for
up
you.
there.
You guys gotta go get them all. Go
You
get
gotta
them
get
all.
'em. Thomas, climb up and get yours.
Climb up on there and get it.
Get it.
You get it. Oh, Sophia, will you help him?
Got it.
Okay, now get down and find the rest before you eat. Just.
I found one. Did he even jump that high?
Oh my gosh.
Goodness.
Yes.
Can't get it. I can't get it, Mama.
What else? What about on the kitchen table? Did he leave you guys anything fun?
Oh my gosh.
What is that?
Puzzle.
A puzzle? What kind? What does it have on it?
Monkey.
Monkeys? And what else did he give you? Oh my goodness, pencils?
Coloring pencils.
Huh.
There's more. There's more,
There's
guys.
more. I see more over here. You gotta come look.
Get the basket
Where's my basket?
over there on the floor.
See one. Found one.
You found it?
No, that was mine.
Keep
What about
looking.
over by the windows?
No, these windows. Thomas, come over here and look. I see one.
Wow. Found one. Found one.
Oh, Thomas found a good one. Look at that one. Okay, put it in the basket.
Found
Oh,
one.
he found another one.
Aw.
Keep looking, Sophia. There's more.
Where do you see one?
Look.
For it. Oh.
I see a tiny one.
Oh, is it cute?